Teaser bets are one of the most misunderstood wagers in sports betting. Most recreational bettors treat them as safer parlays. Most sharp bettors avoid them entirely. But there is one specific teaser strategy that has documented historical edge. In this video, I am going to explain exactly how teasers work, when they make mathematical sense, and the one strategy that serious bettors actually use. A teaser bet is like a parlay where you get to move the point spread in your favor on every leg. You combine two or more games into one ticket and adjust each spread by 6, 6.5, or 7 points in your direction. The catch is the same as a parlay. Every leg must win for the bet to pay out. The trade-off is that teasers are easier to win than parlays because you have moved the lines in your favor, but the payout is significantly lower. A two-team 6-point teaser typically pays minus 110, meaning you risk 110 to win 100. Here is how a teaser works with a real NFL example. Suppose the original lines are Team A at minus 7.5 and Team B at plus 1.5. With a 6-point teaser, you move both lines 6 points in your favor. Team A goes from minus 7.5 to minus 1.5, meaning they only need to win by 2 instead of 8. Team B goes from plus 1.5 to plus 7.5, meaning they can lose by up to 7 and you still win. Both legs must hit for the teaser to pay out. The payout at minus 110 means you need to win about 52.4% of the time to break even. The question is whether moving the line by 6 points gives you enough of an advantage to hit that threshold. The Wong teaser strategy is the only teaser approach with a proven historical edge. Named after Stanford Wong, it targets specific NFL spreads that cross the two most important numbers in football: 3, which is a field goal margin, and 7, which is a touchdown margin. These are by far the most common final margins in NFL games. The strategy works like this. Tease favorites that are originally between minus 7.5 and minus 8.5 down to minus 1.5 to minus 2.5. This crosses through both 7 and 3. Tease underdogs that are originally plus 1.5 to plus 2.5 up to plus 7.5 to plus 8.5. This also crosses through both 3 and 7. By crossing these key numbers, you capture the highest concentration of final margins, which historically has produced a positive expected value on two-team 6-point teasers at minus 110 or better. When do teasers make sense and when are they a trap? Good use cases are NFL two-team 6-point teasers, specifically using Wong teaser setups that cross through the key numbers 3 and 7. The payout should be minus 110 or better, and ideally at sportsbooks where ties push rather than lose the teaser. NFL is the only sport where teasers have demonstrated historical value because of the unique scoring structure with field goals and touchdowns creating predictable margins. Bad use cases include NBA teasers, which are generally priced worse because basketball scoring is less predictable and the value of moving the line is lower. 3 or more leg teasers where the risk compounds dramatically with each additional leg. Random spread selections that do not cross key numbers. And books where a tie on any leg causes the entire teaser to lose rather than push. Here is the bottom line. Teasers are not inherently good or bad. They are a specific tool with specific mathematical use cases. NFL two-team 6-point teasers crossing key numbers 3 and 7 have documented historical value. Everything else, NBA teasers, 3+ leg teasers, and random spread selections, is usually negative expected value dressed up as a safer parlay. Use teasers surgically when the Wong strategy criteria are met and the math supports it. Not as a fun way to make parlays feel safer. The Wong strategy or nothing.